I'm Rhonda. Welcome back to my kitchen. I am so excited today because Typhur has asked me to do a little review on their new Typhur Dome 2 air fryer. Y'all, I'm so excited about this, and we're going to open it up and give you our honest opinion and review on this, and let y'all see what all this bad boy can do. All right. We got the little cord here. We're just going to open it up. Y'all, this thing is really, really nice. I can't wait to see what all this little thing can do. Get all this plastic off. Let's just turn it around so you can see it, James Russell.
Man, talk about slick looking.
It is. Let's get rid of this little plastic. We'll just put that down right there.
It pretty much matches everything in our kitchen.
It does. It really does. I'm going to open this up, give it a little. All right. Oh, there we go. We got something else in there. Let's see. It's just the basket usage. It's got some instructions for that, which I think we can figure out that the basket goes inside. Look at me go, taking something apart. Normally Russell's the one putting stuff together, taking it apart. But look at me go. All right, this I'm assuming is just going to drop right in there. Now, I have not read the instructions. I will be the first to say.
Well, y'all saw it. We just opened it.
You saw me just open it. This is so exciting, y'all. I think I'm going to plug this thing up and see what she's got. Alright, it says for power, just press and hold the power button down for 2 seconds to turn your appliance on. And you just press it briefly, it says turn off. So we're going to hold it down. There you go. And then it comes with a little QR code. It says scan the QR code to download your free Typhur app. This thing comes with its whole app, honey. It's got recipes on it. It's got all kind of stuff. Alright, y'all, I'm going to start testing this dome out and see what she's got. I'm going to start with something simple, just some boiled eggs, and we'll see how it turns out. right, y'all, we've took this old girl for a spin, and I am loving it. I chose some very versatile dishes to try. And we did a little breakfast. We did some little snacks and some supper with that salmon bowl, and even some cookies.
Yeah, dessert.
Dessert, honey. So you can't. It's really user friendly.
Man, this thing cooks great.
It does. It does, and it cooks very fast. It's
faster than all the recipes we had.
Yes.
You got it. Really, this. You know, it tells you cook times. We looked up recipes and stuff, and the cook time on this was all. You got to watch it because it was shorter. It cooks way faster than I guess most other air fryers. It's really fast.
Yes, and it's got a lot of options with preset buttons.
Yes.
You can just touch that. When I made that bacon, honey, I just hit bacon. We had bacon.
Yes. Preloaded.
you can't get no easier than that.
And with it just being launched, the recipes and stuff weren't in yet when we tested it, but I'm sure it'll be just like the Dome, which had all kinds of recipes where you could just go in and put your recipe, hit the recipe, and it loads it into the machine. So you just follow that. I mean, it don't get no easier than that.
Yep, the time and the temperature automatically populates on here, and it's ready to go. Only thing I got to do is hit the go button, honey, you ready to go. But it's super quiet.
Oh,
you can barely hear it.
You can't even hear it.
You cannot hear it. And very cost efficient when like in the summertime when it's hot. And honey, you don't want to turn your oven on.
No.
You just crank old big girl up right here and let her do your work.
Speaking of big, the size.
She is very big.
It's a lot bigger than most air fryers, I would think.
Yes.
You know, I'm this is your lane as far as the cooking most goes, but you know, it seems huge to me.
It is
as far
really
as
big.
Size-wise. If you got a big family and you know, most of the time you don't want to have to cook things in 2 stages or whatever. This thing's like be
family
great.
friendly.
Yeah.
Family friendly, and you can put a whole pizza in this. Whole pizza in it.
That's awesome.
You really can. And the best part about it, self-cleaning.
Oh yeah.
She
That's a great option.
Listen,
That's a great option.
She just cleans herself. She's just wonderful. So we want to thank Typhur for giving us the opportunity to review this and to check it out.
Fantastic product.
It is a fantastic product for sure, and I would certainly get this.
Yeah, if you're looking for an air fryer.
You're looking for air fryer, be on the lookout. It is a Typhur Dome 2.
And y'all, for this special introductory offer, you can enter the code Rhonda10 at checkout and get 10% off of the Dome 2. And we'll have the code for that in the description, along with the link to take you to the website at Typhur, and where you can check out the Dome 2 and see if you'll be interested in it yourself.
And thanks again to you, Typhur, for sponsoring today's video. Till next time.
Peace!